Soul Saturday.
Might hit up the Home Depot later.
Hey, you know, maybe Best Buy.
Maybe. Anything could happen. But as long as it's before 6, because, you know.
Oh, I'm really glad I didn't buy the suction cup.
Yeah. Cool.
GoPro suction cups are overpriced at Best Buy by probably $30. So if you're going to buy them on Amazon. Or better yet, try not to buy them on Amazon because he's a creep. Maybe.
And doesn't pay his workers health care.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah,
or pay time off.
Which is bullshit.
Or sick time.
What's his name?
Jeff Bezos.
Jeff Bezos?
Jeff be a dick.
Why does he look like
a dick?
Fucking a Spider-Man villain.
He literally looks like a penis.
He looks like a penis with a hat on. Even when he's not wearing a hat. I'm just wondering, like,
he's an asshole.
Well, no, but so the adrenochrome theory with Jeff Bezos should definitely be considered because there are videos of him and pictures of him in the 80s before Amazon was a thing.
Does he look older then than he does now?
He looked old as shit.
I mean, I think I look younger now than I did then. He looks like a Bond villain. Fair enough. He kind of is.
Striking deals with China and shit, like Dr. Evil style.
Mm-hmm.
I just, you know, when you have that much money, like, I don't know. I think that things can go awry. Also, his wife seemed awesome, and they got a divorce.
Yep.
And I'm thinking to myself, what did he do?
He had an affair.
Yeah. Like, I don't even think, like, what'd she do?
Yeah.
I'm like, what?
It's very clearly his fault. Yes, absolutely.
Who did he have an affair with? Some
woman. I don't know.
Yeah.
I'm just saying. She got half his money and donated most of it to charity. So she's clearly the human in the relationship.
Well, you can look at someone in their eyes and know if they have good intentions, too. I really believe that.
Yeah, fair enough.
Oh, shit. The camera got that on. Hey,
I'm sorry.
Is it still trapped? We're good. We're good.
God, please.
We're good.
Sorry. I don't think it's spilling water. I did put the lid on, I swear.
It's okay. That's a testament to my poor driving skills.
Just keep it calm. Keep it calm for the last 50 feet we got happening.
Oh!
God. Also, I agree with you. You can look in someone's eyes and see if they're terrible people, and he's kind of dead behind the eyes, so.
But with that said, there are people that you can look at, you can tell that they're like in the middle. They're not really good or bad. They're kind of asleep at the wheel.
Mm-hmm.
The thing about bad people is at least you know they're conscious. The thing about bad people or people in the middle is a lot of times they're just sleepy. Like they just look sleepy.
Just not paying attention.
Not paying attention. They're paying attention to things that don't matter. Hello, Mike. And there's something to be said about that too.
Yep.
Okay.
No one can ever accuse Bezos of being asleep at the wheel. He knows exactly what he's doing.
That's right.
So, you know.
There is a yin and a yang in this world.
Yeah.
Which one are you? And that concludes our
today's Paywall and ÜRL.
This is Paywall and ÜRL, and we appreciate you. Thank you.
Stay classy, America.
I appreciate you.
I appreciate you.
Thank you.
Thank you.